Okay, kayak dent repair with hair dryer. Let's see what we can do. This is a Lifetime Zenith kayak, and I bought it for $50, but it had this dent in it. It was stored improperly, I think, on a rack out in the heat, and it bent it. So let's see what we can do. Alright, just using my fingers, I was able to heat this up and get most of that dent out. Very surprising. You can see. I'm just pushing up from underneath the hole. I probably need to get a little 2x4 too and get it nice and straight. I'll do that next, but I'm getting the most of it out with just my fingers. See, it's got a little bit of still got a little tilt over here, but most of it has come out. Let me get a 2x4. Alright, I'm pretty pleased with that simple fix. It looks like it got most of it out. It's not 100%, but the dent is pretty much gone with nothing but a little hair dryer. I hope this helps. Good luck. Bye.